Alright guys, I am at the Valentine Detroit City Distillery with the general manager at the distillery. So today I'm going to be asking a couple of questions about Valentine Distilling Company and a little bit about yourself, what attracted you to it, and why this place is unique. You guys need to come and see it.
So I originally got involved with Valentine as a fan of the brand. My friends knew I loved vodka and brought me to this tasting room shortly after it opened, and I was just blown away by the quality of something that was right in basically my own backyard. So a couple years later, when I was looking for some side work, a little in between my career, I picked this up as a side job and really quickly just got pulled into the whole business side of it. And obviously, I don't work behind the bar now, but I'm still a massive supporter and just working to get this brand out there to anyone who hasn't had a chance to enjoy this.
How long have you been working?
So I found out this summer, it's been 5 years. The time has flown fast, thank you. But definitely wouldn't trade a minute of it for the world. It's been a great challenge every way. I've got a fantastic team, and obviously it's a great company to be with.
So what's a typical day like here?
So we really get a wide range of demographics here, depending on what day you're in. We are open 7 days a week now. We see everything from your young couples to retirees, teachers, families, consumers, lots of different stuff that really kind of gives you a chance to introduce people to the brand in the way that I enjoy it. And it's wonderful to come from the upbringing of being basically working in the bar scene a long time ago, where it was a little bit more quantity over quality and lots of sweet shots and things, to kind of mature and step more into those classic cocktails that lean a little bit more on quality ingredients and not as heavily on make and paddle. So it's really nice to be on the flip side.
So tell me, what makes this place special and unique from other local distilleries, or even just some that have ever been on the state?
Yeah, I mean, I always say, when it comes to other local distilleries, it's a beautiful thing that we're growing here in Michigan. One of the things I love about Valentine is our attention to detail and the staff that we've curated here. Pretty much anybody who walks through the door, it doesn't matter if you have zero experience in craft or if you are the most particular person about the cocktails, we really strive to keep our staff not only well-trained, informed, but welcoming, to really help you learn your way into this and be able to appreciate everything there is to appreciate with that era of cocktails.
And what do you see as the future outlook of the company?
So really, the tasting room is just one leg of Valentine. We are present as a spirit, our vodka, our gin, and our whiskey now in 7 states and 4 countries. So the future really balances finally between those two, but I would love for this to be not only a point for everyone around the Metro Detroit area, but also kind of a visiting point, whereas people would normally go to your Bourbon Trail to come to Michigan and see the distillation that's happening here. And being we're now one of the oldest, largest, and most decorated distilleries, to actually kind of set a precedence for people to be able to come and see what we're doing.
If you could sum up one thing about this place, what would it be?
That is a hard one. I would say probably the one thing I could sum up about Valentine is we are the original. There's been a lot of growth in the craft world, but for us, we really wanted to blaze the trail into this field of kind of turning back the timetable to when we had a higher priority in the quality of what we were making, kind of the golden era of Detroit especially, 1930s, 1940s. So I would say if there's any place that really loves to hold on to that aesthetic and have the top shelf spirits for which it would be Valentine.
Thank you for your time.
It's been my pleasure. Thank you.
I've never heard of her before, but I don't know. They got your Halloween costume from last year, Cliff. Yellow plaid.